how to make your first $1,000 even if you're starting from zero. Let me guess, at some point, you told yourself, I will start saving or making extra money next month. Not because you did not want to do it, but because this month already felt tight. You paid rent, you bought groceries, something unexpected came up, and whatever was left disappeared. So you waited, and next month turned into next year. If that sounds familiar, you're not bad with money, you were just never shown a simple way to make your first $1,000. And today we are fixing that. Welcome back. If you are new here, this channel is about making money simple. No hype, no get rich quick. Just real steps that normal people can actually follow. In this video, we are going to talk about how to make your first $1,000 from scratch, not your 10,000, not investing strategies, not complicated businesses, just the first 1,000. We will break it into 5 simple sections, each with a real example, so you can see how this works in real life. And at the end, I will give you one clear action you can take today to get started. Let us begin. Your first $1,000 is hard for one reason. You do not believe it is possible. Yet right now, money feels like something you chase, not something you create. You work, you get paid. And that is it. So the idea of making extra money feels heavy and confusing. But here is the truth. The first $1,000 is not about money. It is about proof. Once you make it once, something clicks. You stop asking, can I do this? And start asking, how fast can I do it again? Meet Jason. Jason works a normal job. Nothing special, no business background for years. He thought extra income was only for smart people or lucky people. Then one month, he sold a few things he was not using and did small weekend jobs. He made $1,050. Nothing dramatic happened. But his mindset changed forever. Because once you prove you can create money, you never unsee that. That is why this first $1,000 matters. Now let us avoid your first big mistake. Most beginners fail because they start too big. They want an app, a brand, a YouTube channel that blows up overnight. That is not how your first $1,000 works. Your goal right now is speed, not scale. We want simple, boring, repeatable actions. Think of it like learning to walk before running. Here is the rule. If it sounds impressive, it is probably wrong for your first $5,000. Your first 1,000 should come from something that already exists, a problem that already needs solving. Aisha wanted to start an online business. She spent weeks planning a brand logo, website, social pages, and she made $0. Then she stopped, and instead, she offered basic social media posting help to local shops, to clients, paid her $150 a month in 4 months. She crossed 1,000, no brand, no stress, simple works. The fastest way to get started is selling what you already have. You do not need skills. You do not need permission. You do not need confidence. You already own value. Look around your room, old phones, electronics, clothes, furniture, tools. These items are doing nothing for you right now. But to someone else, they are useful. Selling removes excuses. It turns clutter into momentum. Once money starts moving, motivation follows. Sarah wanted extra money, but felt stuck. She listed her old phone, then some unused clothes, then a chair she never sat on. In 2 weeks, she made $420. Not because she was smart, but because she started. That first win matters. Now this is where most people make the rest of their first $1,000. By selling a simple service. You do not need talent. You need usefulness. People pay for convenience, not perfection. Cleaning yard work, basic video editing, thumbnail design, tutoring kids, helping businesses post online, fixing basic tech problems. If you can do something at a basic level, someone will pay you for it. Charge $25 per job. Do 40 jobs. That is $1,000. Not magic, just math. Ali offered basic laptop setup, help, nothing advanced, just installing software and fixing small issues. He charged $30 per visit. 2 visits per day on weekends. In 1 month, he crossed $900 simple beats perfect. Now let us put this together into a 30-day plan. Week 1, start moving sell unused items list. Everything your goal is $200 to $300. Not because it is huge, but because it builds belief.